Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah, I think.
Hello, Alvin. You sound different. Are you okay?
Yes. No. Maybe. Honestly, I am so tired.
You do look tired. How many hours did you sleep?
Hours? Let me count. 0 plus 0 plus, I don't know. Not enough.
Oh, no. How many coffees have you had today?
3.
3?
3 big coffees, and I am still sleepy.
Wow.
My coworker asked me, "Why are you always tired?" And I wanted to answer in English, but my brain also was tired.
What did he say?
I said, "I sleep, bad, many time, phone, late, I am tired person."
Oh, dear.
I wanted to say, "I went to bed very late. I didn't sleep well. I woke up many times. So today, I feel exhausted." But in English, I only have one word, tired.
Only one word for many problems.
Yes, different nights, same word.
Many listeners feel the same. Maybe you listening right now are also tired. Maybe you also only say, I'm tired.
If you are tired while listening, same here, my friend.
Then today's episode is perfect. Today we will talk about why are you always tired? Talk about sleep and energy in simple English.
I love this already, but I am too tired to show it.
We will learn easy sentences like I went to bed at, I fell asleep at, I woke up at. Example, I went to bed at midnight. I fell asleep around 1. I woke up at 7.
Let me describe last night. I went to bed at 2 a.m. I fell asleep around 3. I woke up at 6.
Oh no, that's only 3 hours.
Yes, do not recommend.
To say how well you slept, you can say, I slept well, I didn't sleep well, I slept badly, I slept like a baby, I hardly slept, almost no sleep.
I slept like a baby means very well, right?
Yes, deep, peaceful sleep.
Okay, my version. I didn't sleep well last night. I hardly slept at all.
That explains your face.
Thank you, I think.
Now, some common sleep problems in simple English. I couldn't fall asleep. My mind was too busy. I woke up many times. I woke up in the middle of the night. I had bad dreams. I checked my phone too much.
Oh, yes. I checked my phone too much is my middle name.
Example sentence, I went to bed early, but I couldn't fall asleep because I was thinking too much.
My turn. I went to bed at 11, but I woke up many times. I didn't sleep well.
Very good. Now, let's talk about today, your energy now. Phrases, I feel tired. I feel very sleepy. I'm exhausted. I'm running on coffee. I have no energy today. I feel full of energy. I feel great. I slept really well last night.
Let me try. I have no energy today. I'm running on coffee.
Very true.
I feel full of energy is a sentence I hope to use one day.
Believe in that future. Let's make a little story about yesterday and today. Pattern, last night today I. For example, last night I went to bed late and I didn't sleep well. Today I feel very tired.
My story. Last night, I watched videos until 2 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep. Today, I am exhausted, and my brain is very slow.
That is honest.
Yes, I blame my phone.
Now, imagine you go to work or school and someone asks, "How are you today?" Instead of always saying fine or tired, you can say, "I'm okay, just a bit tired. I didn't sleep well." Or, "I feel great today. I slept really well last night."
More examples. I'm a bit sleepy. I went to bed too late. I'm full of energy. I slept like a baby.
Nice. Let's do a little role play at work. I'll be your coworker. You be new Alvin.
Okay.
Morning, Alvin. How are you today?
Morning. I'm okay. Just really tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, that's tough. I hope your day is not too busy.
That felt much better than just tired.
Yes, because now the other person understands why. Another common situation. You are late because of sleep. Useful phrases. I overslept. I'm sorry. My alarm didn't go off. I woke up late by accident.
Role play with my boss? I'm scared.
Friendly version. Don't worry. I am your nice boss. Alvin, you're a bit late today.
I'm really sorry. I overslept. I didn't hear my alarm.
Okay, it happens. Try to sleep earlier tonight.
That was not so scary.
Now, let's talk about good sleep habits in simple English. You can say, I try to go to bed before 11. I don't drink coffee at night. I turn off my phone before bed. I read a little before I sleep. I try not to stay up too late.
Stay up equals not go to bed, right?
Yes, to stay up late means go to bed late.
Okay. I often stay up too late watching videos. I'm trying to go to bed earlier.
Good goals. Let's add some strong adjectives instead of only tired. I'm exhausted. Very tired. I'm dead tired. Informal. Very, very tired. I'm worn out. Very tired from work or activity. I'm low on energy. Nice expression. I feel refreshed after good sleep. I feel recharged, like a phone battery after sleeping.
I love recharged. After my nap, I felt recharged. After this episode, my English will feel recharged.
Nice line. Now let's do 2 full examples. One bad night, one good night. First, bad night story. Last night, I went to bed very late. I couldn't fall asleep because I was thinking about work. I woke up many times. Today, I'm exhausted and I have no energy.
Now, good night story. Last night, I turned off my phone early. I went to bed at 10 p.m. I fell asleep quickly and I slept like a baby. Today, I feel refreshed and full of energy.
Which story do you want for your future?
The second one, but my phone wants the first one.
You must choose. Let's talk about common mistakes when talking about sleep in English. Mistake 1, saying, I am very sleep.
Oh, I did that.
Correct is, I am very sleepy, or I feel very sleepy.
Sleepy is adjective. Sleep is verb or noun.
Exactly. Mistake 2, confusing wake up and get up. Wake up is open your eyes. Get up is leave the bed. Example, I woke up at 7, but I got up at 7:30.
So, my real life, I woke up at 6, but I got up at 6:45.
Yes. Mistake 3, using only tired for every level. Use sleepy when you want to close your eyes. Use exhausted when you are extremely tired. Use low on energy when you feel slow.
So, I'm sleepy equals I want to sleep. I'm exhausted equals I probably need 2 days of sleep.
Yes. Now I want to add a small emotional point. Many people today are always tired. Work, study, family, phones, news, it's a lot.
Yes, sometimes I think I am lazy, but really I am just exhausted.
Exactly. You are not lazy, you are tired. It's okay to say, I need to rest. I need more sleep. I need a slower day.
Hearing that in English feels kind.
English can be kind too. Let's do a quick review. Important verbs: go to bed, fall asleep, wake up, get up, oversleep, take a nap, stay up late. Feelings: tired, sleepy, exhausted, worn out, low on energy, refreshed, full of energy. Sentences: I went to bed late. I didn't sleep well. I couldn't fall asleep. I woke up many times. I slept like a baby. Today I feel very tired or full of energy.
And for daily talk, I'm okay, just a bit tired. I didn't sleep well. I feel great today. I slept really well last night.
Excellent. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, your homework time.
In the comments, write about last night's sleep in 2 to 3 sentences. Use this pattern. Last night, I. Today, I feel. For example, last night I went to bed at midnight and I woke up many times. Today I feel very tired.
Or, last night I slept like a baby. Today I feel refreshed and full of energy.
You can tell us the truth or imagine a perfect night. The goal is practice.
And maybe your comment will make other sleepy people feel less alone.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a friend who is always saying, "I'm tired" in English.
In our next episode, we will talk about coffee and energy habits, or maybe about how to relax without phones.
Wait, relax without phones? That sounds impossible.
We will see. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
You are doing a great job with your English, even if your eyes are a little sleepy.
Remember, your body needs rest and your English needs practice. Both are important.
So try to sleep a little earlier and listen to a little English.
We believe in you.
Take care, sleep well, keep practicing.
And see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.